Ladies and gentlemen.
Hi folks, Mark here from My Mobile Mentor, incorporating Audition Buddy with some exciting news about our next short course, which is called Self-Tape Success, and it only runs for 4 weeks. It basically incorporates acting students and non-acting students because we work with both groups. Both groups are most welcome to attend our dynamic workshops. And they get given a dynamic scene, an interesting scene during the week that we ask them to learn both roles for. And then when they turn up, they actually are invited to participate in a 3-hour workshop. And the reason why it's 3 hours is because we break it up into 2 factors. One is called stagecraft and the other one is called self-tape. In order to produce a self-tape, it's really important to actually work out what the stagecraft components of the scene might be. Anyone can pick up a book, but it's actually about understanding what the book is actually about. So a really bad metaphor might be that a talent is invited to cast for a role with a casting director in person. And the first question that the casting director has for that talent is, have you read the book? If the talent knows that they haven't read the book, it's going to definitely show in their eyes and their body language too. So what's the next best strategy? The next best strategy is teaching students how to actually take a scene and work with that scene in the context of a stage play, meaning how do we enter, how do we tell the story, how do we exit? What's the who, the what, the when, the where, the how, and the why factor? And that basically incorporates stagecraft, scene study, character development, as well as subtext. And all of that information is definitely worth exploring because when it comes to converting that scene into a self-tape, everything will actually come from the eyes and the body language. There's a much better chance of a far greater self-tape with much greater substance in a self-tape than there is if the talent hasn't actually researched the scene first from a stagecraft perspective. If this sounds like fun and it sounds like something that you would really love to get your teeth into theatrically and screen performance-wise, please feel free to contact me on 0412 786 549 or info@mymobilementor.com.au. We would love an opportunity to receive your inquiry. We would love an opportunity to learn what your creative plans might be moving forward. And with any luck, we would love to have you in our workshop and actually exploring some really interesting scenes that we can convert from stage to screen using transitional skills. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll look forward to workshopping with you. Take care. Bye for now.